Hi everyone, my name's Jacob.
I'm Ben.
And today we're going to be giving you some installation advice and showing you just how easy it is to fit your air suspension kit.
We're fitting a Coil helper high pressure kit to a 150 Prado. This also suits the 120 series. This customer tows a boat, so this will just keep a nice level ride height.
Take it away, Benny. Do it. It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance. If you are not qualified and attempt to carry out such work, ensure that all safety equipment is used and safety standards are met.
Before fitting your air suspension, make sure you read through your step-by-step instructions that are supplied in the kit. If you have the high pressure kit, make sure you slide the high pressure sleeve over the airbag before inserting it into the coil spring. Now that you've read through the instructions, it's time to prepare the vehicle. We'll firstly start by removing the lower shock mount and sway bar mount. This allows us to easily remove the coil spring, prepare the override bumper and install the airbags. Let's show you how it's done. Now that the airbags are installed, it's time to run the heavy-duty nylon airline from the airbag to the pre-mounted inflation valves at the back. We'll then run you through a few extra tips on how to perform a leak test. When routing the airline, ensure you keep away from any sharp edges and heat to prevent any leaks from occurring. For a secure connection, make sure you use either a Stanley knife or an Airbag Man tube cutter for a nice clean cut every time. To perform a leak test, grab yourself some soapy water in a spray bottle and spray all fitting and tubing connections. Now that your kit's been fully installed and leak tested, it's important to refer to the last page of the installation instructions for the specific airbag operating pressures.
Now that your kit's ready to go, to adjust your airbags you can go to any local service station, or with the convenience of onboard air, you can check out our massive range of air controls that can be easily adapted to your air suspension. If we don't have a kit that meets your requirements, the team here at Airbag Man can create a custom kit to suit you. There we go guys, thanks for watching. Now remember, bag it with the best.